Good morning students, how are you? Fine. Today we will start our exercise 1.2, the revision of exercise 1.2. In this exercise we will study about how to represent the numbers on the number line. We can represent the natural number, whole number, integers or any rational number or any real number on the number line. Let us look how to represent these. Number first one, the representation of number, representation of number on number line. Number line. Look at this. If it is a natural number, then we have to represent these numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then so on. If it is a whole number, then the number will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then so on. If it is an integer, the number can be represented on the both the side of the 0. It means minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so it may be minus 1 plus 1, minus 2 minus 3, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and then so on. So these are natural numbers, whole number, integers. Now the how to represent the rational number. So rational number क्या होते हैं, where they lies? Numbers. Now the rational numbers are the numbers which are in the form of p by q, where q should not be equal to 0. The rational number is represented by capital Q and it is in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. So these can also be represented on the number line. Look at this. If you want to represent any number, this is minus 1, 1, minus 1 by 2. So we can represent it here. 1 by 2 we can represent it here and then so on. So we can represent each and every type of the numbers on the number line. Okay, let us discuss how many natural numbers between the two natural number. Between the two we can count down. Okay, between the two, how many rational number between the two natural numbers. If we have to count down the how many rational number between the two natural numbers, then 1 and 2. सपोज कीजिए हमारे पास दो नेचुरल नंबर्स कोई भी हैं 1 and 2. How many rational numbers are between them? So there are infinite rational numbers. Infinite rational numbers. Then you may say it is not defined how many rational numbers are between two natural numbers, between two integers, between two whole numbers, and between two even rational number also. So how many rational numbers lies between two any given two numbers is infinite, is not defined. Okay, now let us find the rational number between the two given rational numbers. Okay, next topic is find the rational number between the two rational given rational numbers. Look at this, 2 and 0. Number of rational numbers. Yeah, you may say find three rational number between 2 and 0. Find three rational number between 2 and 0. So 2 by 1 and 0 by 1, because 1 is the denominator in both the case. So now how many number between them is only the 1. So we multiply the minimum number by 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. और सपोज करो हम इसे डबल करते हैं इनिशियली. लेट अस लुक एट, we multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Similarly here we multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. The number will becomes 2 to the 4 by 2 and 0 by 2. How many numbers are there between them? 3, 2, 1. We get three different numbers already. So how many rational numbers between them are 3 by 2, 2 by 2 and 1 by 2. So these are the three rational numbers which lies in between them. We can also find the same with this method. We can also multiply it by 10. Both the numbers by 10, divide by 10. 0 by 1, 10 by 10. What we get? 20 by 10 and 0 by 10. So now we can find the several numbers and we can choose any three among them. Now, what is the best idea to multiply by which number is exactly sufficient? Now, is that we have to find the three rational numbers. So add 1 to it. 3 plus 1, 4. So multiply by 4 to both the numerator and denominator of both the rational numbers. So 2 by 1 multiply by 4 divide by 4 and 0 by 1 multiply by 4 divide by 4, 8 by 4 and 0 by 4. Now you can also count the number of the rational numbers that are being required. Okay, so there are three different methods. Now you can also choose any one other number by which you can find the required rational numbers. Okay, so just we have to make their denominator same and then find the rational numbers between them. Okay, now let us start our exercise 1.2. We will discuss this with examples. Represent the numbers on the number line. Our first question is question number 1. Represent the numbers on number line. The given numbers on number line. Now look at this. Part 1 is 7 by 4. Please look at clearly. Its denominator is 4. Its denominator is 4. So first of all, just draw a line, mark a point 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Because it is positive, so no need of these negative terms. We need only the positive terms. Divided by 4, 2 point something. So it lies in between 2 and 3. It's okay. 4 and then so on. Now its denominator is 4. So we have to find the 4 parts of each section in between the each two consecutive integers. Now 0 say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then so on. Clear? Its denominator is 4. If its denominator is 4, then we have to make the 4 parts of each consecutive integers. Now its numerator is 7. Its numerator is 7. So now count down by starting from this 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and then 7 by 4. So this number will represent the 7 by 4. Okay. 4 ones are 4. It's lying between the 1 and 2 only. So now come to the similarly question. It's the second part. The second part is represent minus 5 by 6 on the number line. Let us again discuss it. Its denominator is 5. Its denominator is 6. And numerator is 5. Okay. Now we have to represent these in the number line. Look at this. Draw a line. Mark a point 0. Because it is negative, mark a point 0 here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Going to be more distant. mark it 0, it's 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, now we have to mark 6 parts. It means 5 points between the two integers. So 6 parts हो जाएंगे उसके, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to represent minus 5 by 6. So we have to move on the left hand side from 0. So this point will represent minus 1 by 6. This will represent minus 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. This will represent minus 5 by 6. Okay, so it is easy to represent the numbers on the number line. Okay, the question number 2, it is also similar. Question number 2, represent minus 2 by 11, 5 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11. By yourself, you can do it by yourself. Here denominator is 11, so and all the numbers are negative. So we move from the left side of the 0. We move to the left side of the 0, and we partition each and every consecutive integers by 11 parts. Okay, so do it yourself, try by yourself. Okay, try it by yourself. And the next question, write 5 rational number between which is smaller than 2. Write 5 rational number which is less than 2, which is less than 2, जो 2 से स्मॉलर हो. ऐसे हमें 5 रेशनल नंबर चाहिए. Remember always, all natural numbers, all whole numbers, integers, everyone are also the rational numbers. Now the number which is less than 2 and this is 0, 1, 1 and 2 and then so on. So less than 2 में these all the numbers are also less than. You can also write these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these all are also the rational number which is less than this. Now we can also find some other rational numbers. Let us we have to divide between the 0 to 2. So 0 and now let's find 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between 0 and 2. 0 और 2 के बीच में अगर हमें 5 numbers find करने हैं, then what is the method? Look at this. Same method हमारे पास 0 by 1 and 2 by 1. हमने starting में discuss किया था. Now multiplied by both the 10. What do we get? 0 by 1, 10 and 20 by 10. Now we can find any 5 rational number between them. So our required answer will be equal to 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10 and then so on. These all are the rational number which lies between 0 and 2. 19 by 10. अप टू 19/10। यहाँ से 0 और उसके, ये हमने केवल 0 और 2 के बीच में ही फाइंड किए। यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड द 1 एंड 2 के बीच में, यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड -1 and 2 in between the -1 and 2, so it's give the different values. Now find the 10 rational number between, next question number 4. The question number 4, find 10 rational numbers between -2/5 and 1/2. Now here the denominators are not same, so we have to first of all equalize, make the like fraction them. Look at this, the denominator is 10, so we multiply it by 2/2, and denominator is 10, so we multiply it by 5/5 to make the denominator as 10. It's LCM of, because हम लिख सकते हैं because LCM is equal to 2, 5 is equal to 10. If LCM is 10, तो हमें डिनोमिनेटर क्या बनाना होगा दोनों का 10. अब 5 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर 10 हो जाए 2 से, so we multiply it by 2 and divided by 2. यहाँ पर हमें 1/2 में डिनोमिनेटर को 10 बनाना है, so हम ये किससे मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई 5 से डिवाइड, 2 2 जा 4 and 5 1 are 5 upon 10. Now is that there are the 10 rational number between them, -3/10, -2/10, -1/10, 0/10, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, not 10 rational numbers. So what we have to do now? Now we have to multiply it by 2 divided by 2. Look at this, so that we get some more numbers between them, and divide by 2. Same, multiplied by 2, divide by 2. Now what is the result? The denominator is 20, multiply 2, divide by 2. The denominator is in both the case 20. 4 2s are 8, 10 2s are 20, and 10 upon 20. So what are the required numbers? Required numbers are -7 upon 20, -6 upon 20, -5 upon 20, and then so on up to 9 upon 20. Okay, you can find any 10 rational number in between them. Okay, now come to the next question, question number 5. Find the 5 rational number between, similar question है, you are again watching the same questions. Find 5 rational number between 2/3 and 4/5. 2/3 and 4/5. So the LCM of, first of all find the LCM of 3 and 5. It is 15. Now how to make the like fraction? Look at this. So we multiply 2/3 by 5 and divide by 5, and we multiply 4/5 to 3 and divide by 3. So 5 2s are 10, divide by 15 and 12 upon 15. Now the denominator is the same. Now how many numbers we require? So we multiply by 2, so 20 and 24. So it's not being same. So we multiply by 3, 30 and 36. So we get the numbers. So we multiply the both the fractions by 3 and divide by 3. We can also just check by the multiplying the numbers. 3 by 3. So what is the number? 30 by 45 and 36 by 45. So how many rational numbers are between them? So required numbers are is equal to 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45, 33 upon 45, 34 upon and 35 upon 45. So these are the 5 rational numbers, different rational numbers that lies between the given numbers. Okay. So this is the 5th question. This is the part 1 of the 5th question. Now other 2 parts you have to try by yourself. Now come to the question number 6. The question number 6 is just similar to the question number 3. Now in this question number 6, you are being asked to find 5 rational number greater than minus 2. 5 rational number greater than minus 2. So इसमें क्या आएंगे बेटा? Look at this. माइनस 2 से नंबर हम नंबर 9 बना के देखते हैं. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then so on. Now which is greater? अगर हमें नंबर लाइन पर किसी नंबर को ग्रेटर नंबर को आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो द नंबर विल लाइज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. So all the numbers which are lying on the right hand side of the number -2 are greater than -2. So ये सारे नंबर भी रेशनल नंबर होते हैं. So these all are the maybe the answer. Any one of the 5 numbers you can choose, and you can identify with a similar method of as similar to the क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. जैसे हमने 3rd में किया कि 0 -2 के बीच में आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए, 2 और -2 के बीच में आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए. So here we can write the answers. Required numbers are -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. You can also write these numbers. Now come to the question number 7. Find the 10 rational number between 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. The question number 7. Now look at this. Question number 7. The rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. by 4 and 3 by 5. So first of all, take the LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 5 and 3 by 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 4, because we have to make the denominator as 20. So now 15 upon 20 and 12 upon 20. Okay. Now how many rational numbers are there? 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 rational numbers. We have to find the 10. So multiplied by at least 6. 15 6 are 96 and 12 6 are 72. So they are more than the 10 numbers. So just multiply by 5. 15 5 is 75. It's a 60. 5 is also the more than enough. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5 in both the case. Now the denominators are 100. Now 75 upon 100 and 60 upon 100. Now there are almost 14, around 14 13 14 numbers are between them, so we need only the 10. So we can write here the 61 required numbers are 61 upon 100, 62 upon 100, 63 upon 100, 67 upon 100, 68 upon 100, 69 upon 100, and 70 upon 100. Now these answer can also be vary. If you multiply it by 6, then you will get different answer. If you multiply by 4, you get different answer. Okay, so each and every case you are getting the different answer. So answers will depends upon the values you have chosen to multiply. Okay, now the denominator should be same. इन सभी का denominator हमेशा same आना चाहिए. And if you mark them in the decimal points, then you will get almost flexible values to our answers. Okay, now if you have any doubts, if you have any doubt in any question, you may ask me in the live classes. Okay, or you may meet in my WhatsApp account. Okay, thank you.